In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Etsy sales and create coupon codes. If you've ever wondered how to offer special discounts or promotions to your Etsy customers, you're in the right place. We'll dive into how you can apply these deals seamlessly, keeping your buyers thrilled while you enjoy increased sales. First, let's make our way to the Etsy homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in Etsy.com. It's a treasure trove of handmade, vintage, and unique items, and a perfect platform for showcasing your creative products. Now, once you're on the site, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a small icon that looks like a shopping cart. Click on this cart icon, and you'll be taken to the section where you can see all items currently added to your cart. This is where your customers will go before making a purchase, so it's essential to ensure they have a smooth experience here. Next, you'll want to look for the option to apply a coupon code. It's usually displayed prominently, so it's easy for buyers to spot. Click on Apply Coupon Code. This will prompt a field where you or your customers can manually enter the discount code. Now it's time to enter the coupon code. Whether you're testing it to ensure it works or guiding customers, simply type in the code you've created for your promotion. Be careful to enter it accurately, as codes are usually case sensitive and must match exactly to be valid. Once you've entered the code, it's time to make it official. Click on the Apply button right next to the field where you entered the code. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the discount reflected in the cart total almost immediately. This step is critical because it confirms the validity of your code and ensures the customers take advantage of the offer without any hitches. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to implement coupon codes on Etsy seamlessly, providing your buyers with enticing deals, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and potentially boost your sales. Offering promotions on your Etsy shop is a fantastic way to draw in both new and returning customers, creating an opportunity for them to purchase items they adore at a discounted rate. This positive shopping experience can lead to more reviews, increased visibility, and greater loyalty to your shop. Make sure to market your promotions well, perhaps on social media or through email newsletters to reach as many potential buyers as possible. Engage with them, respond to questions, and build that personal connection that sets your Etsy shop apart. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.